Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am here to review some of the ZUDIO tools. Now I have reviewed their makeup. The video is there on my channel. I'll put the link in the description box as well. So for tools, I have only 3 tools, so the video is not going to be super long, although the makeup video is super long, so you can go and whenever you're ready you can watch it because it's almost 20 minutes long. So this one is going to be really short. Should I start from the worst to the best or best to the worst? I don't know, whatever is coming in my hand, let's start with that. So this is the ZUDIO sponge, okay, and when you wet it, it becomes half of your, like 3/4 of your face size, and if you have a smaller face, it'll just cover your face in one go. So this is really good for 79 rupees. You know, I have a blender from Purple which was of 250, actually on 50% discount, so it was of 500. So, and that does not perform as well as this one for 80 bucks. That one absorbs a lot of product, it leaves patches, it leaves those dhabbas, and this one just performs very nicely. I personally love this product. You will see me using this product a lot in my videos, okay, even just to, you know, go on top of it. It's so good. Yeah, I love this. So definitely I think this is way more worth than 80 rupees, but they're selling it for 80 rupees. Go ahead and get this one, you need it. Second product that I have is this ZUDIO eyelash curler, and yes, I have kept it in packet although I've used it, okay. Straight off the bat, this is for 149 rupees. Now I got an eyelash curler from Vega, I remember, and that was of 99 rupees, and that was really good, okay. So this one feels a little flimsy, okay, like I don't know, this is so shaky, like yeah, this one feels flimsy. The build wise, I'm not so fond of it, although it does curl. Like, let me show you. Although I have curled it already and I've applied mascara, yeah, it does curl. You can see the difference, right? This is just lifted. I've already curled and applied mascara, so I don't think more curling will happen. But yeah, this does its job. It does it fairly well. How much would I give it? Like, I'm not too sure if you should go ahead and get this one, because I already used for something which is cheaper than this, better than this, so maybe a no. I did not like it so much, okay. From the build quality to the performance, it was an okayish product. Coming on to these 2 brushes from ZUDIO, okay. Now they look so pretty, right? Okay, these two, you know, these two retail for 149 rupees, which is expensive. Let me just put it out there, because if you go to DMart, you get a set of 6 brushes for, I guess, 100 rupees or something. On Amazon, 200, you get this Amazon brush set, okay, which is a 20 brush set. So I think this is a little bit expensive. Second thing, I just want to mention that this smelled of like it smelled like paint. When I took it out of this packet, it smelled directly of paint. I hated that feeling, okay. And I was like, when will this go away? I actually have washed it once before using it. And let me just tell you one more thing. Like, this is a very soft bristle, so no cream product, of course, you can't apply. But even powder, I don't think it holds, okay. So when I was trying to apply just a loose powder, so I'll just show you, okay, it just starts falling randomly from this. It does not hold on to the product, so the product actually randomly falls out of this. The hold is not very good. It's very light, I feel. So it's just good for like your very light powdery products, like which you just apply like that. Yeah, it's very good for that. I'm gonna just give you that. It applies very smoothly and it blends good, okay, and that's all it's good for. Then they have this eye brush, which I think is fine because I've been using it just to, you know, it's very pointy and it's flat, so you can use it to put shimmer, or you can just use it to, you know, draw a small liner. Like I have drawn a liner wing, Okay, so yeah, you can use this. So these are the only tools that I have, and out of these three I only think the blender, the sponge is worth it. Rest all are like, okay, you can get a very good just replacement from Amazon or any other website. So yeah, that's all for my review. If you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.